Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is called "The Worst Way to Handle a Seatbelt Violation." Man, something as simple as a seatbelt violation could turn into a whole nother mess, man. So let's get into it.
What the? What? I just pulled out from my crib.
Can you have a seat beside the car?
No, what do y'all want? Y'all finna piss me off. I just sit on my block and y'all see me pull out of my house to get gas.
I don't know what you're talking about, miss.
I just seen you on. I stay on.
Okay. Is it illegal for me to sit on your block?
It's illegal for you to just pull me. What was the reason?
When did it become your block?
But you didn't tell me a reason why you just pulled on my plate, because it's a tip plate and I just bought this car.
I haven't been able to talk to you.
What's the reason? What was the reason?
You don't have your seatbelt when you drive.
I did just have my seatbelt on.
Okay.
And I just took it off.
You asked me for a reason, I'm giving you the reason, right?
What's wrong with you? I am finna put gas in my car. You want my key? I'm finna put gas in my car.
No, come back over here.
Don't touch me.
Okay, come back over here.
Don't touch me.
I can't deal with her.
I can't deal with you either. What the f***? God, have your deputy or whatever the f***, because you just put a f*** about me, and I'm finna call my mom because she just said, okay, well, I'm finna have somebody come because I don't have nothing for you.
Okay. You know what I noticed? I noticed a lot of cops get frustrated when people call them deputies or whatever, like, cause they look the same. It's just one works for the city, one works for the county. You know what I mean? But they do this damn near the same stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, but I don't know why cops get so mad. I get it, but it's just you know, whatever. Deputy, nobody means no harm by it, but they just like, yo, get your supervisor or whatever, or go get your partner. You know what I mean? Like, but you can't tell the difference between a deputy and a city cop, like, unless it's like the badge, like they have the star and stuff like that. But they look the same.
I'm trying to make this as...
No, you not. Why are you even bothering me? I just have my seatbelt on. No, I have to go to work, or they're gonna fire me. No, I'm not gonna do this with you.
Driving license, proof insurance, we'll get you on your way.
Y'all know what the f I'm doing. No, I'm not doing this with y'all.
Can I please have your driver's license?
Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me.
If you
stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Please stop talking to me. I have to call my mom. Please stop talking to me. Okay. Because you know what you just did. I just seen you. I just recorded you.
Okay. Are you gonna refuse to provide me with your driver's license?
I'm not saying nothing else to you.
Okay. If you
I'm not saying nothing else.
She going to jail.
How's that obstruction? I know what obstruction is. That's not. I didn't say I'm refusing. I'm refusing to speak until I call my mom and my lawyer. That's what I'm saying. Mom, I just pulled out of the driveway. This man was just sitting on Rosedale. Now I'm at the gas station, and he just pulled me over. He followed me out of the driveway and followed me.
I don't get it though. What can your mom possibly do to get you out of this situation? Everybody always want to call somebody when they get into a situation, but they ain't gonna help you. We just seen the incident where the lady got locked up, the girl got locked up, 22-year-old nurse or something like that. I have it linked somewhere up top, whatever, or maybe at the end or whatever. But, you know, she's dealing with the cop and, oh, I'm gonna call my dad or whatever. And it's like, what? Your dad ain't gonna help you. The dad yelling on the phone, let go of my daughter, let go of my daughter. What the hell can you do, bruh? You can't do nothing right now. She just needs to cooperate, man. He asking for simple stuff, because a seatbelt ticket.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join. Check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis. You're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now, check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout-outs, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members-only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Take your ticket and keep it pushing, but something shady going on. That's why she don't want to give up her information.
This gas station. Saying that I don't got no license plate, then he gonna look at my template because I didn't register the car yet because I just bought it. He talk. It's good until this month. It's this month. Until the 3rd. Exactly. And I got my, he talking about I didn't have no seatbelt on. I had my seatbelt on. He just pulled me over for no reason. He don't see that I got my seatbelt on because I got the damn blanket over me. And I gotta go to work. What the no, hell no. Hell no. I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to be doing?
Driver's license and insurance. That's all I need.
I don't understand why I'm giving this to him because he just pulled me up for no reason. He has no lawful reason to pull me over. He said that first of all, he said that I didn't have my seatbelt on, but if you check any of the stuff, I have my seatbelt on and I have a blanket over me because I don't have no clothes on. So he just pulled me up for no reason. I feel like hell no.
Honestly, if I'm the cop, I'm taking you. I asked you too many times, and I'm not gonna sit here all day and wait for you to get off the phone with your mom. Your mom ain't helping you out this situation. Is your mom the DA? No. She ain't helping you out this situation. You know what I'm saying? It's over. You know, just get the information and keep it pushing. They would have been done with this traffic stop already. But honestly, me, nah, you would have been gone already. You would have been in cuffs and in the back, gone. I ain't got time to play with you.
I feel uncomfortable. Actually, I want a female officer to be here. If this is what we're gonna do, I feel uncomfortable. You just sat on my block. I mean, I know you don't get. You feel entitled. I know.
I'm gonna ask you one last time.
Okay, or what?
Okay, you're gonna be placed under arrest. Last time, are you gonna give me your driver's license, proof of insurance, or are you gonna be placed under arrest?
Why?
Last question.
Why? You didn't ask me a question.
You're under arrest.
You didn't ask me. I'll give it to you. Get off of me. I'll give it to you.
You're under
arrest. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I just said I'll give it to you. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I just said I'll give it to you.
Stop resisting.
Stop touching me. I just said I'll do it. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Now you want to give the stuff to him? We just sat here for 2 minutes and watched you have a whole phone conversation with your mom while the cop is asking for proof of insurance and your driver's license. And you talking about, I ain't saying nothing. I'm not giving you nothing. You watch me pull out of the drive. Listen, so now you under arrest. Oh, I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. Too late. You're too late. You're too late. You had your chance, and now you're going.
Just said I don't do it. I can't even get it. Stop.
Good job, boys.
I'm not resisting arrest. I'm not resisting arrest. Your ass is being aggressive. I'm not resisting arrest. And you're being aggressive. I'm not resisting arrest. And you're being aggressive. I'm not resisting arrest. And you're being aggressive. I'm not resisting arrest. Why are you doing that? I'm asking for a female officer. Why are y'all doing that?
A female officer cannot come to arrest you right now, so I arrested you.
One
will come to search you.
I just told you I was going to
explained to you. Stop resisting. Stop moving. I'm trying to fix this so they don't cut you. I can't even fix your handcuffs because you won't stay still.
I'm not even moving. Y'all both pulling me in 2 different ways. What the f***? Never been, no.
I'm trying to fix this so they don't hurt you, okay?
You just yanked me. What the f***? I've never been dragged around like this. I just see how aggressive.
Well, you have plenty of chances.
Yeah, what type? You know, not to be. You know what? Never mind. Fellas, you'll see it if you see it.
For you not to have to
and
do
I
that.
just was telling you that I was texting my mom, my lawyer, and you just got him.
Yeah, and I allow you to do that, which I shouldn't have to do that, but I did.
I didn't do nothing. I did not move an inch. What did I not have to do? I did not move.
Your rear lectern here, please.
Unknown to officers, her mom was about to show up.
Okay, just let me walk.
No,
just let me walk. Let me walk. I'm Chad, I'm not a dog.
Just please stand right here.
Y'all are so bogus, y'all.
What's your last name? What's your last name? Ma'am, what's your last name?
I feel so sorry. I just asked for a female officer to come.
There is a female officer come to search you.
But he just said, he just told me it wasn't.
Search you, but not to arrest you on the traffic stop.
But I just wanted the female to be around. He was already aggressive before you came.
Ma'am, I'm just telling you, I got here last second, okay?
I asked for a female officer. He was aggressive before y'all even came.
One of our sergeants is right there. There's a supervisor. Can I get your information, please? Ma'am.
I feel uncomfortable.
Okay.
I'm uncomfortable.
Okay, but I need your information, ma'am. What's your last name? Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
What happened?
Here we go again. The one officer that got the pen and the paper, right? He's been asking for her name and stuff like 3-4 times already. She ain't answering. So Sarge is on the scene. Maybe she'll start talking.
He was just sitting on and he see me pull out of my driveway. He see me put my seatbelt on and I put my blanket over me. And he followed me from there. He just asked me to give him my driver's license. I said, "Can I please call my mom and my lawyer first?" When he came, that's when he got more aggressive and he put his hands in front of me. I said, "What is the problem?" He said, "Well, I'm pulling you over." And I asked, "Well, again, what is your reason?" Then you want to say because I had no seatbelt on. I had my seatbelt on, but I have a blanket right there as well. I'm on my way to work. I said, "Can I please call somebody?" But yeah, you call him. And then as soon as he came on, that's when he wanted to get over aggressive. Now, yes, I am yelling because I don't understand where this is coming from. You just watched me.
When he asked for a driver's license, did you provide one?
I told him, I said, "Can I please call my mom first before I do anything?" I didn't resist.
The
I did not say
answer is
yes
no.
or no.
Do you have a driver's license?
It's not on me right now, but he told me it's because my place is temporary. What does that have to do with anything?
Do you want me to fix your watch so it doesn't fall?
You could just put it in there.
Put it in the car?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put your watch in the cup holder.
Oh,
Or do you
God,
want
it's
center
gonna be so
console?
hard for me to get this car up because I just bought this.
I need to
Like,
get
they take this as a joke. I feel so uncomfortable. I feel really
I need to get your
uncomfortable.
name. I've asked you 3 times. We gotta have your information, otherwise you just sit there.
Okay, I would just sit there because I feel really uncomfortable. I just asked for a female.
A female's coming, but they're not close. That's part of the
Why
problem.
did y'all just do that to me? Why did y'all just yank me around? I wasn't resisting arrest. Why did y'all just yank me around like that?
When an officer says you're
But I
being placed
never
under
said
arrest,
no.
you can't pull away.
I did not pull away.
I need your information,
I
otherwise
did not pull away. Why did y'all just do that to me? I've never been assaulted by a police officer before.
You have insurance for this car?
I just bought it. I just bought it. And I have to sign my title and thing as well.
Did you get it?
I just got it yesterday. And the person that I bought the vehicle from, he had this already on there, but he gave me the title. I didn't even get to sign it yet. I was gonna do all that when I went to work because I work at Toyota and I can register my car there.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for her.
I'm gonna tell you, I have a warrant. I believe I have a warrant in DuPage as well. I miss court. I mean, I'm telling y'all now so y'all can go ahead and call over to them.
No, yeah, that's fine.
Now we see why she didn't want to give her name, because this seatbelt ticket or whatever was gonna turn into a warrant. She was getting arrested regardless. So now we see why she put up such a fuss.
That's what he's gonna do. We're gonna wait for the female officer. Okay.
I really hope y'all die. You just realize you just was on my block. You just watched people on my driveway.
I don't think we need to go to that extent.
No, I really do hope he died though. I really do. I really do. I really pray that he dies. I pray that he dies. I really do.
Not a strong.
I really hope he dies. I mean it. And I have your name, so I will be putting a root on you with my yeah. I'm not gonna play with you. I hope you die.
Come, stay over there. Stay over there. Mom.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Hey.
I'm telling what?
You don't have to be disrespectful to them.
I'm not being disrespectful to them. I'm telling them I got a point on them on me.
Watch your head. Real quick.
Watch your head while you're going in. Watch your head. You know, hold it. I gotta put the seatbelt on you, okay? Yourself.
She was charged with resisting and issued citations for driving while in possession of cannabis and driving while suspended or revoked. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Yeah, just ridiculous. But it's good that the mom had some sort of respect. But deep down, I mean, the mom know her daughter is a headache. Facts.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.